Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and basic software so you don't waste time later. Check that your NVIDIA GPU supports the Cuda version you plan to install and update the NVIDIA driver first. Once done, create and activate a fresh Conda environment to isolate packages. This prevents conflicts with System Python. Make sure Conda or pip is available. Then keep this terminal session open. You'll install Cuda-aware libraries into the active environment next. Next, install the Cuda toolkit or use Conda packages that bundle runtime libraries. This ensures the drivers and libraries match. Once the toolkit is installed, add cuDNN or rely on Conda-provided accelerated builds that include cuDNN and cuBLAS. After libraries are present, install your deep learning framework with Cuda support. For example, a matching PyTorch or TensorFlow build. Verify success in the environment by importing the framework and checking device availability. If it fails, finally, make the environment available inside Jupyter by installing ipykernel and registering the kernel. This lets you select the Cuda-enabled N from the UI. Start Jupyter Lab or Notebook, choose that kernel, and run a concise GPU test cell to allocate memory or list devices. If the test succeeds, you're good to go. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to confirm driver and Cuda runtime compatibility and the kernel selection. Restart the kernel in Jupyter after correcting paths or versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.